Hello students, welcome back. Today we will take our chapter comparing quantities. इसमें अभी हम रेशियोज, परसेंटेज, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट और कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट चार के चारों सेक्शन को पढ़ेंगे. सो स्टार्ट विद द रेशियोज. कमिंग टू द एक्सरसाइज 1, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Find the ratio of the following. A. Now this is the speed of a cycle 15 km per hour to the speed of the scooter 30 km per hour. So this is 15 by 30. So this is the simply 1 by 2. So this can be written as 1:2. Coming to the second one, B part. This is 5 meter to 10 kilometers. So 5 meter to 10 kilometers. So this will be now 5 meter. Now see that units are different. कभी भी अगर हम रेशियो निकालते हैं हमेशा मेरे को सेम यूनिट दिखाई देनी चाहिए. अगर यूनिट्स डिफरेंट है तो फिर वो रेशियो नहीं आएगा, करेक्ट रेशियो आपको नहीं आएगा. तो अभी हम यूनिट को सेम करेंगे. यहाँ पे किलोमीटर है, यहाँ पे मीटर है, तो बेटर ये होता है कि हम हमेशा लोअर यूनिट में लेकर के आए. मीन्स किलोमीटर को भी हम क्या करेंगे, मीटर्स में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. सो 1 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 1000 मीटर्स. So therefore 10 kilometer will be equals to 10,000 meters. Now we'll find out the ratio. और रेशियो में भी 2 के बाद में जो नंबर लिखा रहता है वो हमेशा डिनोमिनेटर होता है. So now ratio will be always 5 meter divided by 2. 2 के बाद में जो नंबर आएगा वो हमेशा क्या रहेगा, डिनोमिनेटर में. So this is 5 divided by 10 kilometers means 10,000. Now we'll find out the ratio. 5 1 ja 5 2 ja 10. So this is 1 by 2000. So this is 1:2000. So this is now ratio. Now coming to the C part. C part is 50 paisa to rupees 5. So this is 50 paisa to rupees 5. So अभी देखिए यहाँ पर भी रुपीज है, तो इसको भी अभी हम क्या करेंगे, पैसे में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. वी नो 1 rupee इज इक्वल्स टू 100 पैसे. Therefore rupees 5 will be equals to 5 into 100 means this is now 500 paise. So now we will find out the ratio. So this divided by this, so this will be now 50 divided by 500. So this 1 10. So this is now 1 by 10 means this is 1:10. So these are the ratios. So ratios calculate करने के लिए अभी हम क्या करेंगे, यूनिट्स को हमेशा सेम रखेंगे. So now coming to the question number 2. Convert the following ratios to the percentage. So first one is 3:4. इसको परसेंटेज कन्वर्ट करने के लिए we can write it in the fractional form. This will be 3/4 into 100. जब भी परसेंटेज में कैलकुलेट करना होगा हम 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So this will be now 4 1 ja 4 2 ja 25. Then this is 75 परसेंटेज. परसेंटेज में कैलकुलेट करेंगे मीन्स जब भी 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो यहाँ पे परसेंटेज का साइन भी आएगा. नेक्स्ट वन इज बी पार्ट इज 2/3. सो दिस विल बी, दिस इज 2:3. सो इट विल बी 2/3 into 100. सो दिस कैन बी नाउ रिटन एज 200/3. सो दिस विल बी 66.66%. So now coming to the question number 3. 72% of the 25 students are good in mathematics. How many are not good in mathematics? So let the number of students good in maths is X. So now 72% of 25 students are good in mathematics. So number of students good in maths, so they are now 72% of 25. So 72 by 100. So it will be written as 72% means 72 by 100. of means multiplication, then 25. So 25 1, this is now 4 times, so 4, this is now 18. So 18 students are good in maths. So number of students not good in maths. So number of students not good in maths, this will be 25 minus 18. Total number of students are 25. 25 में से good in mathematics 18. So remaining are not good in maths. So they are 7 students. Those who are not good in maths. So coming to the question number 4th. A football team won 10 matches out of the total number of the matches they played. If their win percent was 40. So win percent is 40. Let the total number of matches played is X matches. So winning percentage given 40% and they won 10 matches. So number of matches won, this is equal to 10. So now 40% of the total matches, they are equal to the 10. So we will find 40% of X, this is equals to 10. Because 40% अभी win कर रहा है, तो 40% of total number of the matches we have taken X, this is equals to the 10. 10 is the number of matches won. अब 40% will be written as 40 by 100 of means multiplication, then X, this is equals to 10. So 0 0 cancelled. Now X will be equals to 10 into 10 by 4. So on simplification, this we got 25. So total number of matches played are 25. So total number of matches played is equals to 25 matches. So coming to question number 5th. If the Chameli had rupees 600 left after spending 75% of her money, how much did she have in the beginning? So let the money in the beginning, this is equals to rupees X, and money left over, this is given as rupees 600. So now 75% is spended. So if the money left 600 after spending, so percentage of expenses, so percentage of expense is 75%. So percentage of saving, we'll find the percentage of saving. So this will be 100 minus 75. So this is 25%. So now we will calculate this. So 25% of X is equals to 600. अभी हम सेविंग को ही सेविंग से रिलेट करेंगे, बिकॉज अभी ये 25% सेविंग आ गया और ये भी क्या सेविंग है. So this will be written as 25 by 100 into X is equals to 600. So this is 1, this is 4. So X by 4 is equals to 600, or X will be equals to 2400. So the money in the beginning was rupees 2400. So this was the money in the beginning. So now coming to the question number 6. If 60% people in a city like the cricket, 30% like the football, and remaining other like other games, then what is the percentage of the people like other games if the total number of the population is 50 lakhs? So find the number who likes each type of the games. So now number of people liking cricket, so this is now 60%. Similarly, number of people liking football, so this is 30%. So now number of people liking other games. So other games, that will be now 100 minus sum of these. So 100 minus 60 plus 30. So this will be now 10%. So total population is already given 50 lakhs. So number of people liking cricket. So this will be now 60% of 50 lakh. 60% of 50 lakh. So this will be 60 by 100 into 50. This is 1, this is 2, 2, 30. So this is now 30 lakh. So 30 lakh people like cricket. Similarly, number of people liking football. So football liking कितना है 30%. So 30% of 50 lakh. So this will be 30 by 100 into 50. So 50 1 ja, 50 2 ja. So this will be now 15 times. So they are 15 lakh. So 15 lakh people like football. And now number of people liking other games. So this is now 10% of 50 lakh. So now this will be 10 by 100 into 50. So this is 1, this is 2 times, this is 5 lakhs. So with this we have finished our exercise 8.1. Thank you. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप अभी तक हमने जो भी पढ़ा आपको समझ में आया होगा. इन केस अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. आप हमारे एपिसोड्स को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी रेफ़र कीजिए ताकि हम आपके लिए और भी अच्छे अच्छे सोल्यूशंस ला सकते हैं. ओके, टेक केयर, गुड बाय एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू.